Hello guys, I'm super excited to bring to you my 33 years of experience in one course. I've designed a course on AI that is for everyone, including the homemakers. If you're not doing anything, if you're a student, you are into business, you are into marketing, you are a salesperson, whatever industry you are into, you can take this course. First thing. Second, the course actually will be in English and Hindi, that is combined. A language will be not a barrier in our case. So whether it is English or Hindi or a mix, according to the students, it will be adjusted, right? And third thing, you don't have to be a programmer or AI expert or even computer geek. You just have to be a normal person knowing nothing. That will be much better for me actually. If you don't know anything, that doesn't matter to me at all. So I have put my 33 years of experience in designing the course, and now all the courses will be based on this only. I come up with courses every month, every week sometime, different courses according to the demand of the students. Since I am an industrial trainer also in the universities, I take courses in the universities and online also. So I know what is required, so accordingly, the courses are designed. In this case, this is on AI, which is actually in demand these days. So whether you are a teacher or from any industry, you can take this course. So language is not a barrier. Second, anybody can take this course, and also that you don't have to know computers or even programming to take this course. We will be taking, or I'll be taking from the scratch. Everything from the scratch will be taught to everyone. And those who are not very good at coding or who actually are not able to cope up will be given some extra time, extra classes, and direct interaction will be there to cover up the things. So you don't have to worry what you have done earlier. If you really want to enhance your skills, this is the course for you. What more? You will be learning some tools also in during the course. How we design the tools, what is behind the tools. If you know that, you can use the tools in a better way. Lot of prompts, that is how you write or what you give to the AI chatbots to get the correct result will be taught in the course. That will also be there. It is not the only thing, that will be a part of it. And most important part is your natural language processing, which comes free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for NLP. It will be included in the course. Whatever is required will be included in the course, and the course content are there on my website also. It is a landing page. Basically, I've created a landing page. You will see the link in the description below. All the useful links are there below. You can join the AI community who are not already there, and you can actually have a look at the landing page from where you can enroll yourself. Your enrollment is just for 500 rupees. The course fees, I actually called it energy exchange, since I'm using my energy, and we I don't like actually to call it fees. So it is energy exchange, and it is only 15,000 rupees. But why would anybody invest 15,000 also for a course he or she does not want to do? Right? Now, here's the catch. First thing, you learn AI and the concepts in a very simple terms related with the life. Real life problems will be there, projects will be there, and very easy projects which you can handle easily. I'll be telling you about the AI's bots also, how you can use that and do the coding. and the real time coding also, real life coding also, actually how it is done with the details of AI algorithms also, right? Who do not understand will also be able to understand. Now comes the investment part. Why you would invest 15,000? First, to upgrade yourself. Second, to be with the technology, to be with the world, to grow in any field you are. And the bonus, the main part, which I have designed exclusively for this course. You will start earning right after this course, not as a teacher. You will be able to generate a side income along with this course. The moment it ends, you will be able to start earn, or you will be in the process of earning, right? It depends on you actually, how you follow it, how you use it. But I'll be telling you the tools, the techniques, how to make money online without investing much time. This AI course is the only course which is technical and which actually returns your investment of just 15,000. No AI course can offer this. I can tell you, it is my 33 years of experience in AI. I've designed this course, and since I am already in the industry, I know what is required, what is required by the students, what is required by the individuals in every industry. So don't wait. Register yourself. The links are down below in the description. Read the instructions, follow the instructions, and enjoy the course. I have the courses almost every month. This month we are starting on 18th. Join the course now. Just have to register for 500 rupees. Sorry, it is only 500 rupees. Total fees is 15,000. So when you pay, we will deduct 500, and you just have to pay 14,500, and that too you can pay in installments, that is monthly basis. 5,000 a month minus 500 you have already paid for the registration. I normally like to keep education free, but it is not easy to survive, right? So if you subscribe to my channel, promote my channel, and invite more people, who knows that this course could be free for you. But I can assure you that I'll give you enough insights to make money with the course. In the course, you will learn a lot of things which will help you to grow and to make money also online without investing much time. The course is for everyone. Don't wait, join now. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice time, have a nice day, enjoy life.